Hey everyone, today I'm gonna make a really quick banana bread, and it's a cinnamon crunch banana bread. So I didn't have large bananas, but I had 5 small ones, so I just used them. I'm going to quickly mash them up in here. Maybe not quickly, but anyways. Also, just a heads up, when baking and or cooking, having your ingredients ready to go will make your life a lot simpler. You'll see I have everything pre-measured. These could be a little bit riper, but I have time right now to bake, and I apologize for my hiatus. It's been a crazy year with work. I don't know about you, but I like the big chunks, so I'm not gonna mash it up too much more. Get that going. All right, now that that's all nice and mashed up, just a heads up, I actually put the peels in a jar and fill it with water and let it sit for a day. Then I feed it to the plants since, you know, I have a garden and all of that. All right, so we're gonna do all the wet ingredients first. I've got maple syrup, which I'm kind of sad to be using this one since Costco doesn't seem to carry it anymore, but it'll make this bread good. Okay, maple syrup, 1/3 cup of olive oil, also pre-cracked a couple eggs, and then a tablespoon of my vanilla, homemade vanilla. Yeah, it's in the Costco one, but it's all about reuse here, right? Now, I like to use dough hook. It's great for making sure you don't overmix things. Plenty of places sell it. This one I got from the Food Nanny. But like the Ballerina Farm sells it. Amazon's got a bunch of them. Get what you like. Get that all put together. Make sure those eggs are nice and beaten in. Ignore the chicken sounds in the back. All right, we'll put that aside real quick. Get the dry ingredients mixed together. So a cup of flour. Now the recipe I'm following actually asks for gluten-free, but I do not have gluten-free because we're not gluten-free, although probably should try that. Almond flour. That should provide a nice flavor to this. And then cinnamon. My knee making all the noise. All right, get some cinnamon there. And I don't want to get my baking powder full of stuff. And yes, I have about 3 or 4 different measuring spoons. When you bake a lot, it's good to have. All right, tablespoon of baking powder, which seems like quite a bit. And then a tablespoon of sea salt as well. Hope I read that right. This part I didn't pre-measure because fingers easier. It's close enough. All right. Oh, and also make sure to start your oven 350. Should have done that before since I'll be ready for this. But it's okay. I will quickly whisk this up. Apologize for that. Whisk this together, make sure it's all nice and evenly distributed. there. Don't mind me being messy. Get it all in. Try not to get flour everywhere. What else? Gummy banana chunks. All right, make sure you prep your pan. Forgot to do that, so we'll go ahead. Turn this over the sink so I don't have oil everywhere. Make sure that you get it all up the sides because this is gonna go up the sides majorly. Pour it in. Smells amazing. Now, if I had some, I would, but I don't have any. Like some toasted pecans would be really good in this. One of my favorite banana bread recipes has toasted pecans in there, but I did not remember to do that. I don't have any sitting in the fridge like I normally do. So try it without. Get it all in there. This also comes with a topping on top. So half cup of, it called for white sugar, but I personally like brown sugar better. So I'm gonna do brown sugar. And then 4 tablespoons of cinnamon. Wish the tablespoon fit in the jar, but oh well. And as you can see, I'm not exact because we measure cinnamon with our hearts here, just like vanilla. Cool. Mix that all together. I'm reusing the maple jar or maple cup because why not? I already have too many dishes, so. Cool, mix that up together. Now that it's done, just put it on top, sprinkle. Oof. I think next time I would do less because it seems like a lot. But that should be amazing. Now we just do all the dishes and wait for it to go in the oven. Okay, now that the oven's preheated and my dishes are done, I like to try and race myself against the oven preheating. Put this in and let her bake up. Yes, I have a baguette pan in there. It's also to make sure that you don't have burning on the bottom of stuff. I use it for my bread as well. Okay, let's cut into this real quick now it's cooled a bit. It's gonna be messy. Stick lied to me. Okay, cut into it. So much topping.